Hello everyone, welcome back to watch this beautiful temple with a history of over 100 years. As I was driving by the federal highway near ICT Shal, I noticed a beautiful temple and decided to stop for a visit. It wasn't prayer time and there happened to be some wedding preparations underway. Despite the absence of prayer, I decided to capture the beauty of the temple and dig into its history. And let me share that with you all what I found and searched over the internet. Well, this temple is situated in an area formerly known as Midlands Estate. Ladang Midlands was the first rubber plantation established in Selangor state in 1889 by the British company Highlands and Lowlands Berhad. The estate initially named Ladang Air Kuning, that is yellow water plantation, due to the yellowish water supply, experienced severe health issues including malaria and cholera outbreaks, leading to many deaths among the early Indian laborers and their families. These pioneers faced harsh conditions while clearing the land for their British overseas. The powerful site of devotion is said to be over 100 years old, built by Indian plantation workers, the Sungai Renggam estate. Adding to the authenticity of this site are the existing cement statues of the deities still used for worship. The deities emit energetic vibration due to the constant worship by dedicated devotees. The deity's presence is manifested by the vibrant decoration of his structures. Devotees speak highly of the Goddess Mariamman, who protects her followers wholeheartedly. Dedicated to the Goddess Mariamman, this temple is renowned for her power in curing long illness and diseases. Devotees believe that the goddess blesses them with children, and once that wish is fulfilled, they place the baby in the cradle available in the temple premises as a mark of gratitude. The temple complex also houses several other shrines, including Sri Suntareswarar Sannadhi, Sri Balaganapati Sannadhi, Sri Subramanyar Valli Devanai Sannadhi, Prityangira Devi Sannadhi, Sri Maha Mariamman Temple, Sri Prityangira Devi, Sri Amman, Sri Meenatchi Amman. Today, a new temple stands on the original site, replacing the century-old structure. This new temple, featuring 4 majestic Rajagopurams modeled after the famed Madurai Meenatchi Amman Temple in Tamil Nadu, India. This temple stands as a testament to the resilience and devotion of the Indian plantation workers who built it over a century ago. It has evolved from a humble place of worship to a majestic structure that continues to draw devotees and visitors alike. The temple not only serves as a spiritual haven, but also as a vibrant cultural landmark, preserving the rich heritage and traditions of its community. Whether you seek blessings, wish to experience the energetic vibrations of the deities, or simply admire the architectural beauty, this temple offers a unique, enriching experience. Its enduring presence is a beacon of faith, hope, and unity, reflecting the deep-rooted spiritual and cultural values that have been nurtured over generations. If any information shared in this video about the temple is found to be incorrect, I would really appreciate your understanding and feedback. Also, to provide the correct information in the comment section. Thank you for your understanding. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share with your friends. By the way, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications on our latest videos.